Good evening, everybody. Today I am doing some special type of sandwich with the common vegetables, like I am doing with radish, with cucumber and spinach. So you have to give a little salt in radish and cucumber and cut it roundwise. And give little lemon, salt and little lemon, not see, little lemon only. Okay, radish, cucumber and spinach. Spinach I have cut in very finely, only the leaves. Okay, don't give only the leaves I have cut in pieces. So this is the thing I will give without any butter. Nothing. But how I do it, how I prepare it, I'll show you. Now I will blend this spinach, and I've given 2 chilies. With little salt, I will blend in a mixie. Put little sugar, only very little. 1/4 teaspoon. If you're doing 3-4 sandwiches, I'm only doing 2 sandwiches, then give more spinach and give more spinach. For 2 sandwiches or maximum 3 is enough. Something very special and anybody can have it. It's very nutritious and it tastes good, and it's very different from other sandwiches. Try it. Little flour, of course, less than that is finished. Doesn't take much time. Better if you take non-sticking and do it. So you give little sugar and you blend it with chili, 1 chili or 1 or 2 chilies. It depends on how you like the smell of chili, and lastly I give little maida, only a pinch of it. So this is the solution I did. You don't need any butter in the sandwich. Don't give butter or anything. Don't need it. So I have not applied any butter. I just applying like this. So it is for 2. If you 2, 3, 4 or 5, put more spinach. So this is the way you do it. It is for it's for 2. First you give radish. You have marinated it with salt and lemon before, and finely roundwise you cut radish. In sandwich usually we cut, then you give cucumber. And first give radish. Then give cucumber. And cut it. Oh, sorry.